Are you looking to track subscriber activity in Mailchimp, but not sure how to get started? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to monitor and analyze subscriber behavior to fine-tune your email campaigns and boost engagement. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how to access an exclusive and extended free trial of Mailchimp with special bonuses. First things first, Mailchimp offers a powerful tracking feature for every email campaign you send out, and it all starts with understanding the data available in your campaign reports. You can track opens, clicks, bounces, and even unsubscribes, giving you a clear picture of how your subscribers are interacting with your content. Next thing, to track subscriber activity, you'll want to set up and enable click tracking and open tracking. This way, Mailchimp will automatically track when a subscriber opens an email or clicks on links you've included. This information helps you gauge what's working and what's not in your email strategy. The third thing you need to know is segmentation. Mailchimp allows you to segment your audience based on their activity, so you can track how engaged certain groups are with your campaigns. You can use data like open rates or clicks to create different segments, allowing you to send more personalized emails to subscribers based on their behavior. Next up, Mailchimp also offers a subscriber activity tab under your reports, which provides a deeper dive into individual subscriber actions. You'll be able to see who's opening your emails, who's clicking on what, and even who's unsubscribing. This insight helps you make data-driven decisions when optimizing your future email campaigns. The fifth thing to keep in mind is automating follow-ups. With Mailchimp's automation features, you can set up automated emails that trigger based on subscriber actions. For instance, if someone clicks on a link in your email, you can send a follow-up email with more information about that specific topic. This helps keep your subscribers engaged with relevant content. Now, to really take advantage of tracking subscriber activity, you should also consider integrating Google Analytics with your Mailchimp account. This integration allows you to track how your email traffic is performing on your website, providing even more valuable insights into your subscribers' behavior. The last thing I want to mention is Mailchimp's Campaign Insights dashboard. This is your go-to place for a high-level overview of all your campaigns. You can easily see which ones are performing well and which ones need some tweaking. The dashboard also offers suggestions for improving your campaigns, which is a great resource for optimizing your email strategy. Before we wrap up, remember that tracking subscriber activity in Mailchimp is crucial for refining your email campaigns and boosting engagement. It helps you make smarter decisions, improve your content, and ultimately build stronger relationships with your audience. And before you go, don't forget, you can use Mailchimp for free through the link below and get access to an extended trial with exclusive bonuses. Be sure to check it out for even more email marketing tools and features. Thanks for watching.